If you've ever wondered how TripIt magically turns your booking emails into a complete travel plan, then this video is for you. Today, I'll explain how TripIt automatically creates an itinerary in a simple and easy to understand way. TripIt works by reading your travel confirmation emails. Whenever you book a flight, hotel, train, or activity, you usually receive a confirmation email from the service provider. TripIt uses these emails to gather all your travel details in one place. To make this happen, you simply forward your booking emails to TripIt's email address, or you can connect your email account directly to the app. Once TripIt receives your email, it scans the content using smart technology. It looks for important information like your flight number, departure and arrival times, hotel name, check-in dates, and booking references. This process happens automatically within seconds, so you don't have to enter anything manually. After extracting the details, TripIt organizes everything into a clean and easy to read itinerary. It arranges your plans in chronological order, so you can clearly see what's happening on each day of your trip. For example, your flight details will appear first, followed by your hotel check-in, and then any activities or reservations you've made. Another useful feature is that TripIt updates your itinerary whenever you add new bookings. If you forward another confirmation email later, it automatically adds that to your existing trip. This keeps everything updated without any extra effort from your side. TripIt also stores your itinerary in one place, so you don't need to search through emails anymore. You can access your plans anytime, even offline, which is very helpful while traveling. Plus, you can share your itinerary with friends or family, making it easier to coordinate your trip. So in simple words, TripIt automatically creates your itinerary by reading your booking emails, extracting key details, and organizing them into a clear travel plan for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next video.